Once, my wife and I will like uh going outside for dim sum, and then in the up and near the train station, the melody came, so I just recorded with my phone, instantly very rough. Okay, just some melody, and then I just recorded with my phone, and then I come home, I wrote this lyric out. So I just listen to my singing, and then try to under God's grace create the lyrics, make it funny, but at the same time change it a little bit right now, like part seven. 现在我们向前走，我们都有个梦，谁是我们的好朋友？你我也有个梦，当你朋友，当你朋友，谁是我们的真朋友？你我都有个梦。你说你是好朋友，你说话我就听。当你朋友，当你朋友，谁是我们的好朋友？一起去吃个饭。谁是我们的真朋友？说话也有真。当你朋友，当你我们的朋友，当你讲道理，当你朋友，有话就慢慢说，有茶的慢慢喝，喝些茶慢慢说，喝咖啡与奶茶，一一的跟你喝。当你喝咖啡，当你喝茶，一一的跟你喝。当你大家的朋友，当你大家的朋友，飲啖茶，飲啖茶，食個包，慢慢傾。咖啡與奶茶，一一跟你喝。